Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video where I will talk about the exporting graphics from COMSOL. So I have a very old video, but I think I should make a detailed one. So like in any simulation workflow, effectively like communicating your result is just as important as building a correct model, right? So in COMSOL, it provides a variety of tools for visualization, post-processing, and among them the image snapshot is quite important, right? So understanding how to use it, what are the different options you have, I think it is not well described, so I thought to make a quick video about it. So when you are setting up the image export in COMSOL, you'll notice that first of all, you can specify the size of your image using millimeter, inches, or pixels. The main difference comes down to how you want to control the final appearance and where your image will be used. If you choose millimeters or inches, you are working with a real-world physical dimension. These are best for like if you are preparing images where you need the units, or like in many journals they ask you in a particular dimension and so on. On the other hand, selecting pixels let you define the image purely in terms of screen resolution, which is most useful for digital presentation or web content, or when you are using PowerPoint and so on. So using pixels means that you are thinking in terms of how the image will appear on a monitor mostly, where physical size isn't as important, right? So these are the options here. Now you can also manually change the dimension, as well as you can lock the aspect ratio. So many a time people have confusion regarding these two options. So basically the zoom extend option, if checked, will automatically adjust the view so that your entire model fits perfectly within the image boundaries, regardless of your current zoom or pan settings. If you leave it unchecked, the export will capture exactly what's shown in the window, right? So basically anything that is zoomed in will be cropped. Anti-aliasing, which is usually enabled by default, smooths out the edges of your exported image to reduce jagged lines and make curves and diagonal edges appear cleaner. This is useful for producing like professional publication quality visuals, because when you have very fine line like the image you can see here, it is not easy. When you export, you need some kind of post-processing to look it good, right? So these are basically these two settings. And then you have the output. You can either copy to clipboard, save it in a file, or directly export in a PowerPoint and Word. And in the layout, you don't need to describe, because you can just include the title, grid, logo, and so on. And for font size, if you have any graph that have some axis, you can change the font size, and you can also play with the theme. For background, you can have it transparent. I suggest transparent because that way you don't have to have any trouble when you are using PowerPoint to have some final touch, or you can keep it white or something. So that's the overall idea about the image snapshot.